You've got a strategy archive file that you downloaded from your controller. Let's see how to extract the files from the archive. With Windows Explorer, navigate to where the archive is at. We'll use a file in the Archives folder. Select the file you want to work with and copy it. Create a folder elsewhere and paste the file into the folder. I'll create a new folder and call it CStore Backup. Double-click the new folder and paste the file into it. Double-click the zip file. Windows displays the files in the zip file using the Compressed Folders Tools view. Click Extract All. Confirm where you want the files extracted to. Click this option to see the files you just extracted, and click Extract. The files are extracted to the folder, and the files are shown in the File Explorer window. Double-click the strategies.idb file, and you're ready to start working with it in PAC Control. Just to make sure you're working with the right strategy, check the Strategies directory path using File, Strategy Information. We see the strategy is in the CStore Backup folder. You've just seen how you can take an archived zip file and extract the files to work with them in PAC Control.